In this video, I'm going to show you how to host a file in S3. Go into S3, click on Create Bucket. You can enter a bucket name, and this needs to be a unique bucket name. Region US West is fine. Go to Next. These default settings are fine. Default settings are fine. Everything looks good. Create the bucket. We can click into the bucket, and if you click Upload, click Add File, you can then go and add the file. Click Next. For permissions, if you want this file to be accessed publicly, you need to change the public permissions to grant public read access to this object. Click Next, then click Next again, and click Upload. It really is that simple, and now the file is live. So if you click into it and go over here and right click on this link and open a new tab, and here it is, hello world, S3 is working. Now we know the file is working. That's really all you need to get a file uploaded. You could do other file types, it's more than just HTML. Thank you for watching.